Hi guys, welcome to Rambler Oasis Hotel dito sa Hong Kong. At kung first time mong mapanood ang Hong Kong travel series namin, don't forget to subscribe dahil marami pa kaming DIY travel guides, budget travel tips. So dito kami bumaba sa A32 Bus Terminal Station. Check nyo yung Google Map nyo para sa mga bus stops para hindi kayo maligaw. Ang bus station na to, 2 to 3 minute walk lang, nasa Rambler Oasis Hotel na kayo. Itong bus stop na to, sa tapat lang to ng Chung Ching Shopping Center. So naglakad-lakad tayo dito sa loob ng Rambler Plaza. Ang ganda rin dito ang location dahil may iba't ibang establishment dito tulad ng convenience store, restaurant, cafes and pharmacies at iba pang shops. Kung may kailangan kayo during your stay, hindi na nyo kailangan bumili sa city.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
Meron kaming nakitang ATM machine dito na pwede mag-withdraw malapit sa 7-Eleven. Bago kami nag-check-in, dumaan muna kami sa 7-Eleven para bumili ng mga kailangan. Tulad ng tubig, hygiene kit, shampoo at conditioner. Bumili din kami dito ng mga tinapay at pagkain.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
Habang naglalakad tayo papunta sa hotel, share ko muna ang ilang impormasyon tungkol sa Rambler Oasis Hotel. Rambler Oasis Hotel ay isang budget-friendly na hotel malapit sa airport at Hong Kong Disneyland at Komping 360 at Big Buddha. Mula Hong Kong Airport, 25 minutes lang ang travel time nito at 7 minutes naman sa shuttle bus or minibus papuntang Maritime Square na nandoon ang Tsing Yi MTR Station at 20 minutes train or drive naman papuntang Hong Kong Disneyland.
So useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Kung may ganyan sana doon.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Bumili
I
ako dyan.
really know just what you want.
Oo.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Bali dito yung entrance niya, nakaharap sa may dagat.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna
Pagdating namin sa lobby, may nakita kaming information board tungkol sa kanilang free hotel, shuttle bus service. Isa ito sa mga nagustuhan namin dito dahil nakakatulong talaga ito kung gusto nyong makatipid sa transportasyon. Pero take note, hindi ito whole day shuttle. Twice lang siya tuwing umaga kaya kailangan nyong planuhin ang oras nyo. May dalawang libreng shuttle routes ang hotel. Ang una ay 7:45 ng umaga papuntang Kwai Fong MTR Station Exit D at ang pangalawa naman ay 8:15 ng umaga papuntang Qingyi MTR Station. Available lang ito mula Monday hanggang Saturday at walang biyahe tuwing Sunday at public holidays. Kapag sasakay naman kayo mula sa hotel, kailangan lang ipakita ang iyong room key card at tandaan din ang first come first serve ang seating. Kaya mas magandang bumaba ng maaga kung gusto nyo makasakay. Bukod sa shuttle schedule, may transportation guide rin silang nakadisplay sa lobby. Makita rin ito ang iba't ibang paraan ng pagpunta sa airport, ferry terminals, MTR stations, at iba pang destination gamit ang taxi, MTR o public transportation. May malaking Hong Kong MTR map din dito, kaya malaking tulong ito lalo na kung first time nyo sa Hong Kong at gusto nyo mag-DIY travel.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Okay.
Then will you
Katayang.
Bukas. Ang room na nabook namin ay isang standard twin room para sa dalawang adults. At dito kami nagstay ng 2 gabi. Meron siyang TV pero hindi siya smart TV. Meron siyang heater o pakuluan ng tubig, 2 baso at tea bags. At ang gusto namin dito ay may city view siya or ocean view. Kasama na dyan ang port area or container ships. Meron ding half mirror at telephone. Meron din siyang mini rep at blower. Wala siyang bottled water at hygiene kit katulad ng shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush at toothpaste. Wala din siyang complimentary breakfast. Telephone sa baba.
Telephone, andun na kasi. Okay. Next, sa baba. Kaninong ano? Sira pa. Buksan mo tong ref. Dito sa kabila. Nakapatay pa. Nakapatay, no? Bukas. Okay. Okay na. So, babalik tayo sa CR. Hindi ko nasabi dito. So, dito pala sa CR may free siyang. What's this? Wala. Baso. Wala. Yan lang. Toilet paper na to. Oh? Bath towel. Ayun lang. Walang complimentary water. Ay, bottled water. Wala ding shampoo. Shampoo and shower gel or sabon. Wala. Yun lang. Timawa. Yun lang. Ito na yun. Oh my God. Alin ang mas mura? Alin ang mas maganda? Yung the Army. The Salvation Army Boot Lodge. Mas maganda dun. So, ganda lang yung view dito. Pero ang daming wala. Ano to? Tingnan natin to. Oh, tsaka. Yun lang. Yan na yun. Oh my God. Nasaan yung aircon? Oh, okay. Bakit kasi ang ito? At ito ang ating view. Binigay yan? Binigay yan kanina?
Kita yung container terminal. Isa pa sa mga sikat na amenities dito ay ang outdoor swimming pool. Ayon sa hotel, lumigit kumulang 200 meters ang haba nito, kaya isa ito sa pinakamahabang outdoor swimming pool sa Hong Kong. May entrance fee lang ito kung gusto nyong itong gamitin at seasonal din ang operation ito. Kaya siguraduhin i-check muna ang schedule bago mag-swimming. Kung naghanap kayo ng budget-friendly hotel sa Hong Kong at okay lang sa inyo na medyo malayo sa city, kapalit mas mura accommodation, isa ito sa mga pwede nyong i-consider. Sana makatulong ang vlog na ito lalo na sa mga nagpaplano ng DIY trip sa Hong Kong.
But if I